Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well, and today I'm going to be showing our students how to sign in to FUNecole, what the lessons are going to look like, and how to make sure that they are doing all of the lessons. So the first thing you're going to want to do is find your username and your password, okay? And you will also be having the login website, but if you forget, it is right here. Okay, so once you're on the website that will sign you into FUNecole, type in your username, type in your password, and the most important part of this is you need to check this box. I accept the terms and conditions. It will ask you to do this every single time. If you don't and you try and log in, it's going to say there's an error. Please accept the terms and conditions. Okay, so make sure you check this box in order to log in. Okay, so once we log in, it's going to have you select your teacher, which is me. So make sure you click on my name, and then you will have access to the lessons that I've opened up for you. So right now, you will only have access to lesson 1. So you're going to enter the lesson, and then at the very top, you will see all the different things that you are going to do. Okay? And there will probably be about 10. There might be a little more on some days, there might be a little less on others, but it's going to average about 10. Now, if you scroll all the way down, you will find that there is instructions. These are instructions that I have given you. So it's a little bit different than the FUNecole instructions because these are individual that I have sent out. It might help with something that might be confusing. It might be telling you to do something a little different. It is very important that you read these instructions. If you don't want to read them yourself, I will also include a recording that if you press play, it will read it to you. Okay? So if you press this, it's going to have my voice.
This is where you will find any instructions I have for you about the activities in this week's lesson.
Reading over exactly what it says in the instructions. Okay? So make sure you are always looking. It'll be right underneath the first task. So if you look under that task, make sure you read and listen to the instructions, or one or the other at least. Sometimes I might also include a video, but it's going to be a link, I believe. So you will need to click on it if it isn't just something that you can play. All right. So you will need to do these in order. Okay. So you start with the first one, and then you make your way across. So when you have finished an assignment, it will go to the end as a check mark. So there are 2 ways that you can see that you've completed it. Is it will be at the end and grayed out with a check mark. The other way is that it will actually go to the next assignment for you. So for example, I'm on assessment 2 right now. So how do you feel today? So let me finish playing it.
How do you feel today? Surprise, surprise.
Now I need to pick how I'm
Surprise,
feeling.
sad.
So I'm going to say I am excited. Okay, and you see, it tells me I finished it. Okay, and it goes right to the next assignment. Okay, so it will automatically tell me that I completed it in the live feed, and then it will go to the next assignment. Okay, and it will go through this for each thing. So I'm going to skip ahead and go to the project so you can see something a little different, because these projects are going to be important and it's kind of different about how you complete it. So for a project, you need to either choose a file from your computer or insert a link. Okay, so if you choose a file, it's going to be from your computer. So choose a file, and then this is on your computer, all the saved files on your computer. So if you do not want that, if you have not saved a file on your computer, you can insert a link. If you are using any Google Classroom things, such as Google Docs, like seen here, then you will want to insert a link. And I'll show you how to do that. So if you go to your Google Doc and you hit share, okay, then you can see at the very bottom it says get link and copy link. So you want to click the copy link, and then back in FUNecole, if you hit insert a link, and then you paste the link there and save it. Okay? And then it will automatically say you've completed the assignment because you saved your work. So if you create a video, you can, and you make it a YouTube video, you can copy the link and paste it there, and I will be able to have access to your video. Same thing with Loom. If you decide that you need to save it to your computer, or it is saved to your computer, so for example, this particular project is using MS Paint. So you're probably going to need to choose a file. It's not going to be online. It's going to be on your computer. So you would choose a file and go to wherever you save it. Okay. Another important thing about the projects is that at the very bottom, it has different things to help you. So if you are getting confused on number 2, you're not sure what the fill tool is or how to find it. If you click on it, it's going to walk you through where to find the fill tool. Okay, so first you would go to Home in MS Paint, then you would click on the tools, and last that little bucket. Okay, so then it shows you what it will do. Cool. So please make sure you look in your projects and see if there's anything that is slightly blue or that you can click on, because those are important if you get confused on any step. Okay, this website is really good about making sure that you understand each step and giving you help if you are confused. So please make sure you use it. It will be a lot easier for you, I think, to understand with the pictures showing you exactly where to go. All right, I think that's about it for me. Please make sure that all of your assignments have check marks in them in order to complete your lesson. If you have any questions, you can message me either on Google Classroom or ClassDojo, and you can also email me at the email that I gave you. That way I can help you guys as much as possible. Just please don't forget that you go to the bottom of the first, and look at the teacher instructions. That way I can give you some extra information, and hopefully it will help you guys with your first time going in. All right, have a great time, and I hope you guys have lots of fun. Bye!